One of these individuals were just identified, and a phone call to the police has already taken place. Again, one of the three individuals has been identified, so the helps of the names and even addresses of the other two individuals would be most helpful. Again, you've seen one individual walking up to a door, knocking on it, taking off running. Says something about these parents with these kids. None of them are of the age of 18, but yet they're out running the streets at 5:45 in the morning. And that's when they're caught on tape. Who knows how long they've been out on the streets.